starting lineup ng Papola si Jojo Lastimosa. The veteran is starting here for the first time for Papola in this series.
Marami nga nagtatanong sa akin yung nangyari kay Jojo. Actually, nagka-injury po yan. And apparently, gumaling na, no?
Actually, na-arthroscopic surgery ang kanyang tuhod, no? But yes, he is back, and Lastimosa missed a total of 12 games bago siya naglaro in the last game dito sa ating serye when he scored only 1 point. Pero partner, kailangan ni Coach Shot Reyes ang leadership at ang veteran skills ni Jojo Lastimosa.
Definitely. At alam naman natin, isa yan sa mga pinagtitiwalaan ni Coach Shot Reyes, they go back a long way. Hindi lang po yung coach-player relationship, hindi magkaibigan pa yan.
Hindi lang yan, partner, yung Alaska connection. That alam natin, meron championship condition being carried by it, no? Nandiyan sila Wino, sina Johnny Barrientos, at saka si Jojo Lastimosa now.
At kung naman si Estong Ballesteros ng Quintis in what looked like an easy layup for him. So still a scoreless tie here after a minute of play. Olsen Rosella missing it badly. At si Pochwinyo naman hindi nahabol yung loose ball. Meron 10 seconds ang San Miguel sa kanilang shot clock. Magandang crowd po on hand to witness our 2 games tonight. This is the main game at na naman si Olsen Rosella. Alam mo ito si Olsen, maaasahan mo ito sa mga clutch hits, no? Tsaka pagka kailangan umiscore, biglang bumomba yan.
Ano ba partner, sa trend watch natin, siguro batayan natin ang offensive rebounding of both teams in this game because that has been a key to the attack of Papola. And on the San Miguel side, bantayan natin kung yung kanilang depensa will hold up against Papola's offense, no? If somehow San Miguel is able to hold Papola to less than 40% shooting, chances are mananalo dito San Miguel.
Just like in games 2 and 3. Ito si Danny Siegel, tinamaan sa kamay ni Jojo Lastimosa. And Jolas will pick up that foul and send Danny Siegel to the line. Ito kung si Danny Siegel, no, kanilang panalo nung nakaraan, scored 19 points, held down 8 rebounds, and received an assist, got a steal.
Rama partner, not too many people know, and we must mention that ito si Danny Siegel is a product of a Division I school, NCAA, sa US, for Wagner College. Finished his career with over 1,500 points in 4 years. 5th leading scorer in the history of Wagner College, whose best product was Terrence Bailey, a player who played for Great Taste and Santa Lucia who's got an EBA.
Terrence Bailey. Samantala ang ating score, 4-2 in favor of San Miguel. Pochwinyo operating in his territory dun po sa loob. And Pochwinyo ties up the count at 4-all.
Malaki itong front line, no, ng Papola with Ballesteros, Hatfield, and Wino. And if their field goal percentage is down to the 30s, partner, kailangan ng Papola, ilapit nila yung bola to be able to increase the field goal percentage.
And that spectacular long distance shot was brought to you by PLDT NBT, now as low as, I would say, 3 pesos per minute, anytime and anywhere in the Philippines. Call 171 for free NBT activation.
Partner, ang ginagawa ng Papola, talagang nilalapit nila yung bola, no? They're moving the ball very close to the basket, getting Pochwinyo inside scoring position against Daniel Defonso. At bago maka-double team ang San Miguel, nakaka-score nito si Poch.
Samantala, Nick Velasco misses it from top of the key. At balik na naman sa Papola ang bola. Meron pa po tayong 8.5 minutes remaining. Dito po sa ating unang yugto ng San Miguel Papola Series Series. Pochwinyo momentarily open there. Estong Ballesteros moving against Danny Ildefonso at merong foul. Natatawagin ng DI.
Danny Ildefonso. That's his first team foul.
Tapos si Coach Joey Chico. And of course, kalaban niya si Coach Chuck Reyes. Hatfield has it. Sinigay kay Ballesteros. Estong Ballesteros pinapatayan ngayon ni Freddy Abuda. Magandang lusikan. Magandang lusikan. Left-handed reverse layup by Estong Ballesteros.
At yung mga puntos ng Papola, partner, nanggagaling sa loob.
Oo, kaya si
Mataas na
Nino,
kanilang field goal percentage ngayon so far.
pati nga yung tira ni Johnny Abarientos kanina sa load yun eh.
Yes.
Jump shot niya. Oh, nice rotation of the ball. And a long PLDT IDD long distance shot there by Danny Siegel.
Ang napupunan natin ito si Danny Siegel when it comes to crunch time, when it comes to winning time. Kanya talaga pinapakita ang kanyang kagalingan. And back when he was playing for Wagner College, he played a game against Mount St. Mary's. And with 9 seconds to go, he hit a 3-point shot that sent the game into overtime, and Wagner College won by 10 in extension.
Talagang may heroic streak ito sa kanyang dugo. Samantala, Daniel Defonso moving against Estong Ballesteros. Ano sa sila?
17 foul for the Panthers. 14 seconds on the shot clock.
Alalahanin po ninyo mga kaibigan na sa darating po na Biyernes, sigurado na tayo merong isang laro. Malalaman natin ngayong gabi naman dito sa larong ito kung merong pangalawa. Tignan natin kung the Pop-Color Panthers can pull it off. Referee Bernarte blows his whistle.
Foul number 99, Rudy Hatfield.
Rudy Hatfield picking up his first personal foul. Pangatlong team foul po yan ng Pop-Color Panthers.
Well, tingnan natin itong matchup, no? Hatfield on Danny Siegel, which I'm not too sure if that is a good matchup in terms of Papola, no? Because Siegel is going to try to score. Alam natin yan, no? At Hatfield is going to try to stop him. The energy that Hatfield will expend in trying to defend against a big-time scorer like Danny Siegel will take away from his offense.
Oh yeah, that's going to be a full-time job. Siegel taps it over to Nick Velasco. Ang oras po natin, 6.5 minutes remaining dito po sa ating first quarter.
Ano ba, binanggit ko yung punto niyo, partner, because ito si Hatfield, inaasahan niya sa puntos especially off the offensive boards, no? Unlike ito si Nick Velasco, he's not expected to really score a lot of points, so that's why he can concentrate and focus on defense.
Sa bandang tinirahan naman ni Daniel Defonso, itong si Estong Ballesteros. Yan naman ang matchup there. What do you think of that?
Partner, malaki ang lamang ni Daniel Defonso. By that time, he hit it with a shot from outside. Ito naman si Hatfield.
Oh, it's a great shot there by Rudy Hatfield. Mahirap yun.
Alam mo, partner, ito si Hatfield. May galaw yan galing sa labas. He can put the ball on the floor despite someone his size. No? You would expect him only to play at low post.
Ito si Danny Siegel, kinuyog yun. Will Defonso against Abarientos. Ito si Rosera na libre. Off the double team, wala. And the tap. Nakuha na ni Rudy Hatfield. Ballesteros out to Johnny. Back to Hatfield inside. Nabunggo ni Olsen Rosella.
Doon mo nakakita ang intelligence si Johnny Abarientos, partner, no?
Oo.
It was a 3-on-2 fast break. Pero hindi sila makascore ng layup. Pero nakita naman ni Johnny Abarientos, may libre sa ilalim.
Kaya
Instead of
binigyan
taking
niya
the
dyan.
shot, yun.
Oo. Samantala, 5:31 remaining in the first quarter. Tabla tayo at 12 all. We have this timeout. Dr. Trusted Laksan, number 1 sa sakit ng katawan, doble visa, doble galing. Kaya po na sinabi natin mga kaibigan, ito pong labang ito ay napaka-importante sa pag hindi po nanalo pa na rito, tapos na sila. Panoorin niyo yung nangyari kanina, just before the timeout, ito yung 3-on-2 break na wala sila, hindi, ito yung, yung mahirap na tira ni Hatfield.
Actually, sinabi ko that he is adept at putting the ball on the floor. He didn't need to put the ball on the floor in that play.
That promo action was brought to you by PLDT Text 135. If you can't say it, text it. For key activation, call 171. Magandang gabi po sa lahat ng ating mga suki sa Luzon, Visayas at Mindanao. Pwede abuda ng Samar in peace.
Ano ba?
Yes.
Partner, siguro may... Uy, hindi pumasok yung alley-oop.
Sayang.
Opportunity there for Rudy Hatfield. But partner, you would expect Coach Uino to take on Daniel Defonso, no? Sa defense. Pero siguro sabi ni Coach Reyes, he wants to preserve Coach Uino for something more, no? His offense, and number 2, to prevent him from getting into early foul trouble. Because alam natin ito si Ildefonso is going to go strong to the hole as he just did.
At medyo punong-puno ang mga kamay ni Estong Ballesteros in trying to contain Daniel Defonso. That's no mean feat.
Well, you have to wonder, hanggang kailan kaya ilalagay ni Coach Jot Reyes si Ballesteros kay Ildefonso without asking Coach Wino to help out.
Ito si Velasco na naman kay Rosella.
May mismatch to, no? Velasco versus Lastimosa.
That's right. Ito na. Ayun na, nakawala na si Velasco. Hinigutan na lang niya si Jolas.
At that time,
Yes.
partner, it wasn't the height factor, no?
Oh.
But yung gulang factor ni Velasco. At walang tumulong sa ilalim.
Yung mobility ni Velasco. Hindi na naka-react si Jolas. Samantala, yun naman si Coach William, nabigyan na pasa ni Hatfield sa loob.
And Wino continues to wreak a lot of damage.
8 points na ngayon si Ponchillo. 8 of the 15 so far carried by Pop Cola. Narito si Velasco. Libre si Rosella. Dumating si Jonas. Lumapit ng konti si Olsen at pumasok ang tira. Mahirap na tira na naman. And it is a 3-point lead para sa San Miguel Beer. Johnny's pass deflected and picked off.
A trap situation your partner. Yung the two people who were guarding Johnny Abariento, it was too big for him. Wala siya nakita taong papasahan doon.
Nagdilim ang mundo ni Johnny Abariento.
Ito, and one para kay Danny Ay.
At napo-frustrate si Estong Ballesteros.
Hindi kaya, partner.
Oo.
Talagang hindi kaya ni Ballesteros, no? Ano kaya ilalagay ni... Sino kaya ilalagay ni Jot Reyes, no? I think he might want to change the matchup. Coach Wino, kaya si Bolado.
Samantala, the slow-mo action brought to you by PLDT Text 135. If you can't say it, text it. For free activation, call 171. Ildefonso with the bonus shot. Malakas. And Hatfield for the rebound. Binigay kay Johnny. Here's Estong Ballesteros. Jojo Lastimosa. Inside to Hatfield. Had to kick it out. Dahil masyado na pong malalim eh. Pero sila 10 seconds on the shot clock. Ayun na naman si Estong Ballesteros. Hindi tumama sa board. Kaya hindi naka-practice eh. Oops. Si Robert Ruwak. Sumay talaga. At may foul on Jojo Lastimosa. Samantala ang ating score. Tumatayo po sa 20 para sa San Miguel. 15 para sa Pop Cola. At meron po tayong timeout. Office Warehouse, presyo at quality mula sa school hanggang office. Open kagabi yung katanan, Kasangkayan, Kabugtuan, Idaha, Region 8, Leyte, Samar, Southern Leyte, Piliran, Anillo Alagad, Ed Pixon, Ubod, Quinito Henson para Viva Vintage Television. Ito pong laro. San Miguel Beer versus Pop Cola. Down the middle, Nick Velasco, slam jam, face your fears, live your dreams, at no fear slam. Yun ang talagang no fear. Nakawala ng konti si Nick Velasco, talagang dinaktak ang bola.
Alam mo, partner, itong San Miguel, getting offense from so many players. Ito makikita natin, yung taktak galing kay Nick Velasco. 4 players now scoring for San Miguel.
Samantala po, Julio ginagalaw labang kay Nick Velasco at si Velasco tatawagan ng foul.
Velasco, a product of College of Notre Dame.
Oo, pilang din ho yan.
Oo.
Mukha lang talagang puro Pilipino yan. Samantala,
Si William Antonio, yung double A partner has been a missing link in the offense of that goal. Ito naman si Coach Wino.
10 na yan. 10 points now for Coach Wino.
Mali pa talaga yung ginagalaw nito Coach Wino, no? Last time out, he scored 19 points. First game of the series, he scored 18.
Ay talagang importanteng bahagi yan si Coach Wino sa organisasyon ni Coach Reyes.
Kaya pa partner si Coach Wino now is taking on Ildefonso on defense. Ito napansin natin parang hindi kaya ni Ballesteros. Nakita din siguro yun ni Coach Jot Reyes.
At dahil doon, Kinito, nakita natin na San Miguel Beer was forced into a turnover. Pero sinasabi mo, di ba? Mas maraming turnover ito San Miguel dito sa seryeng ito.
Too many partner, no?
Pero leading sila.
Exactly, because of their good defense. Partner, kung tutusin natin, no? In the 3 games so far dito sa seryeng ito, Pop Cola has been taking 6 more field goal attempts over San Miguel, no? On an average basis.
Lakas yung tiro ni Johnny. Ito na ang fast break play to Duat. Duat gets away. Oh! Naku, lakas nun. Ang lakas ng bagsak. Pumalabog po yung ulo ba yun?
Let's hope not. Ito, he's riding in pace, partner.
Oo, masakit talaga yun.
Actually, nakawala ito si Robert Duat.
We hope he's okay.
Si Antonio na tawagan ng foul.
Alam mo, nandito po kami sa second level ng Ultra. Naka-headset pa kami, pero dinig na dinig namin yung kalabog eh. Kaya nagulat tayo eh. At saka nakita natin talagang malakas yung bagsak niya eh. Panoorin natin yung slow mo rito. Kaya
Ito,
nakawala siya kay Johnny.
Nahabol ni Duat yung bola. Ito, nakawala si Duat. Ito naman, si Nelson.
Nelson nga yan eh.
Si Nelson.
Ayun, ulo nga.
That's a bad foul. Ulo yun.
Oo.
Ito, uy, masama itong foul na to. Nelson's got to sit down.
Medyo ginunggol ni Nelson nung nasa ere pa si Duat eh.
Ano po, kaibigan natin na ito si Nelson, but he's got to sit down.
Well, looks like, fortunately, no? Mukhang okay naman si Rob Duat at we're glad.
So, uupo ng 3 minutes ito si Nelson.
At tinawagan mo ng
I hope natawagan. That's the very least. Kung hindi, flagrant. O, deliberate.
foul.
So, uupo ito si Nelson for 3 minutes. Uupo si Nelson. Dapat lang. Maswerte nga siya, hindi flagrant yung tinawag. No? So, yung
Mabuti naman at materialis fuertes ito si Robert Duat.
makikita naman natin.
Oo.
Kahan nitong Robert Duat.
Pero masakit yun ha. Bukas, mas lalo masakit yan. Talagay ko. He makes the first free throw.
Scores a technical free throw. Pagkatapos ito, possession pa for San Miguel.
Oo.
Oh, 2 out of 2. Malaki-laki nitong lamang ng San Miguel. It's a 7-point lead. Bola pa nila. Now, Carencio, strict shooter. The fireman, nasa loob na ng court.
Samantala, meron pa tayong 1 minute and 10 seconds remaining. Dito po sa ating first quarter. Medyo mahaba itong first quarter na ito ha. Nick Velasco double team. Nilabas ko Boy Beach Victoria to Danny Ildefonso. Nakawala kay Wino. Inabot ang ring to Danny Ildefonso.
Not quite a dunk, partner.
Oo.
Just the same result. 2 points.
Eh, nandun na rin yung kamay niya eh. Actually, talagang tumulo ng pagkataas-taas siya ron.
Partner, parang 4-point play yung nangyari doon.
Oo, dahil yung dalawang free throws into one.
Plus the extra 2 points on that one deliberate foul committed by Nelson Agartono. Ito, nakita natin. Dinaanan niya ito si Coach Wino eh.
That's right.
Pati si Hatfield.
Samantala,
Ito ang MVP, sabi ni Danny Ay.
aba may foul at may technical para rito kay Danny Ildefonso. Hindi natin napansin kung ano nangyari.
Kulang. Ang sinasabi ng mga taga San Miguel dito kay Daniel Defonso. May nangyari yata dito, no? And I think he's still a little hot.
Oo. Samantala, si Estong Ballesteros ang titira ng technical free throw. Pumasok naman and that cuts the lead down to 8.
Nauupo si Daniel Defonso. Medyo hindi natin nakita itong nangyari. Ano ba ang balita natin?
Nagreklamo daw pala, medyo nagreklamo na sobra si Danny sa tawag ng referee.
Ito, may tao doon na nasasabi kay Daniel Defonso, cool ka lang, partner.
Samantala, may kalapasa ni Coach Wino to Will Antonio.
At ginamit ni Will Antonio ang kanyang kaliwang kamay.
Oo.
Now, Antonio's got to step up, partner, no?
Definitely.
He's one of the 2 missing elements sa opensa ng Papola. Before the semis, ang average niya 9. During the semis, 2.
Dito kailangan tumaas, hindi bumaba. Oh! Ayun na. Tatawagan na advantage foul si Dwight Lago as he held on to Will Antonio.
Ito kapapasok lang ni Dwight Lago.
Ito, may jet lag na kahapon lang, kahapon lang dumatay.
Tama. Pero sabi niya sa akin, nung nakausap ko siya, that right after he flew in, which was about 11:45 ng umaga, nakaabot pa daw siya ng practice ng San Miguel. Diba? Now, I just don't know about his legs, no? Because takes a couple of days siguro kung yung jet lag. Well, advantage foul kanya ito si Antonio. He's at the line.
Samantala si Chris Bulano, pinasok na ni Coach Chot Reyes. para kay Estong Ballesteros na medyo napagod dito. Sobra kahit dito, nagdidepensa kay Daniel Defonso kanina.
At naka-score din ito si Estong.
Yes, alam naman natin may opensa talaga yan si Estong. 2 shots there by Will Antonio, and they whittled down the lead further to just 4.
That's a good start for Antonio, considering that pagsak ang kanyang scoring average dito sa Dennis.
5-0 run here by Pop Cola. Chris Volado with the rebound at nagtatapos po ang first quarter of play between San Miguel Beer and the Pop Cola Panthers. And for a score 4-point lead by SMB. Okay, kaumpisa lang po nito second quarter mga kaibigan. May technical foul na kagad ng San Miguel Beer. Dahil apat lang sila. Oo. Ano ba naman yun? Ano nangyari? Kulang-kulang ang players sila sa loob. Hindi maganda din. Ano yan? Pangitain yan.
Oo. At sinasabi natin ni Coach Josie Tuchigo, wala naman daw buzzer na narinig niya.
At para umpisahan yung second quarter.
Oo.
Magkalituhan na lang. Pero trabaho ng mga assistant coach ninyo. Para paalalahanan.
Yung konting kalabit.
Oo.
At ito si Danny Ziegler, hindi pa nga nakapag-report dun sa table officials. Anyway, tuloy ang ligaya.
Dito, Harencio has it. Nag-uumpisa po itong ating
Grabe yun.
pagkaan sa ere. At lumapit naman si Duwag kay Hatfield. Trabaho lang, walang personalan.
Tingnan natin. Pagka itong nangyari dito.
His first
Here's going after the ball naman.
Yeah, so nakita natin, hindi naman yung tao.
At nakita po natin ang slow-mo action brought to you by PLDT X135. You can't say it, text it. For free activation, call 171.
Si Rudy Hatfield played at University of Michigan at Dearborn. His mother, Lilian Advincula Valdez, is from Palo Leyte.
Palo.
Oo.
Diyan, alam mo, diyan nag-landing si MacArthur. Oo, dito na dapa. Dapa. Yung sa reenactment lang.
At ang father naman ni... bago yun, ba? Sinisito tayo rito.
Si former Governor Obed Pagdangan kasama ni Boss Vic Del Rosario. Magkatabi sila dyan sa VIP row.
Ayan si Rudy Hatfield. Gusto ko sana sabihin that while we mentioned his mother's name, his father's name, Rudolph Clinton Hatfield. Senior.
Ganun,
Ewan ko lang kung kamag-anak. Baka kamag-anak.
Pwede.
Who knows?
Ito si Dorian Peña against Volado. Parehong dalawang malalaking mamaya dyan. Coach Heat, yun naman, nakakuha ng rebound binigay kay Pidon Harencio.
Pero ito si Dorian Peña, partner. Look at his left leg is...
Oo nga, all wrapped up.
Oo.
Parang regalo.
bandaged heavily.
Alam mo, ririgalo eh.
At hindi nakakagalaw masyado yan. It looks quite immobile.
Ito si Will Antonio. Step back to order. That's a PLDT IDD long distance shot brought to you by PLDT MDD. Now as low as 3 pesos per minute anytime and anywhere in the Philippines. Call 171 for free MDD activation.
Yan, nakaka 7 points na si Antonio. So he's way over the 2-point average he's had dito sa ating semis.
Sabadana Boybridge Victoria. Pupukol galing sa labas! O sinasabi natin dito sa dalawang series na ito, Kinito. Ginebra Shell, Pop Cola, San Miguel. Yung outside shooting nila, gumaganda eh.
Totoo yan. Especially for San Miguel. They rely on the 3-point shot heavily. They average 6 3-point connections a game.
Uy, nabiti si Coach Willie ito dahil pinayungan siya ni Nick Velasco. Wala siya makita. Just a 1-point lead now by San Miguel, 28-27. Kanina po, umabot na siya yan, 26-17. So ngayon, 10-2. Oh! Tumawa sa mukha. Sorry, sabi ko po.
Physical game, what can you do?
Kanina pa ko sila. Ito, nagigisugi ng backbola. 2 fouls now on Coach Willie.
Partner, he's not...
Hindi naman nagre-reklamo. Okay lang. Boybridge Victoria from the outside. Mahina. Luno. Hatfield. To the... hindi na ako
Good anticipation by
Boybridge.
Victoria.
Good shot. Danny Siegel. Chris Bolado para sa rebound. Will Antonio.
Alam mo, partner, sa tingin ko, liability is Dorio Peña. Hindi
Mabagal.
nakakatakbo.
Oo,
Walang
mabagal.
reflexes and walang lift.
Hindi siya makapirot.
Even when he tries to go up for a rebound, he's just a massive body on the
Ako.
floor.
Ay, sayang.
Siguro sabi ni Coach Joseph Uchico, if you're talking massive body, yan ang pang-neutralize kay Chris Bolado.
Oo. Eh talaga namang match na match siya sa katawan, sa laki ng katawan ng pag-uusapan, sa tangkad at laki ng katawan, no? Pero yun nga lang, mas may mobility kayo si Chris Bolado. Ito si Danny Siegel sa ilalim.
Nice lead pass coming from Nick Velasquez.
Will Antonio did everything he could to try and stop Danny Siegel. Nandun siya all over Danny Siegel pero na-timingan pa rin siya. So tatlo na naman ang abante ng San Miguel Beer, 30-27. Junior nakatingin kay Hatfield. Ito na si Hatfield against Buwak. Call away jumper. Medyo napakialaman din ni Danny Siegel. Uy, may testigal. Ano yun? Bakit?
Nagprotesta ito si Rudy Hatfield.
Oo. Medyo talagang yung mga referee natin, ha? Medyo talagang naghihigpit dito sa mga ganyan mga comment.
Oo.
Oo.
Ano mo yung mga, ewan ko lang ha, this is just my personal
Oo.
opinion, yung mga spontaneous emotional outbursts such as that na hindi namang hinaharang yung referee, dapat pinapabayaan na yun eh.
Hindi.
Because natitigil yung flow ng game. Although of course, the referees want to assert their authority and to prevent anything from going further. Ano? Yes,
Yung
siguro
mga,
naiisip ng referee.
mga incendiary inflammatory. Yung sabihin yan eh.
They don't want to pester a possible rebellion
Yeah.
on the court. Eh, yan ang dapat bantayan.
Hindi maganda.
Oo. Pero sa tingin ko, dapat pabayaan yan. Yung mga spontaneous emotional outbursts such as that. Basketball is an emotional game.
Totoo yan.
Eh kung palaging pipito ang referee, magkakaroon ng pigilan dito sa game. It disrupts from the flow of the game. Yun lang naman ang akin.
Uy,
Kasi ba yan?
Ay, sayang lang naman.
Walang lift eh.
Oo.
Pag-angat niya, partner, talagang kita mo, hirap eh.
Antonio gets away. Pero wala, nandun si Dorian Peña.
Nandun yung massive body.
He did his job. Ito si Danny Siegel, led by Coach Wu. Ay, kapitawan, pero meron pa.
Alam mo yung sidestep motion ni Danny Siegel, pambihirang player, o pambihirang nakikita yung player na may ganun na klaseng galaw. It's a sidestep motion. Watch it here.
At saka para sa ating mga Pilipino, no?
Yun, kita mo oh.
Yan, nakita po ninyo sa ating slow-mo action brought to you by PLDT Text 135. If you can't say it, text it. For deactivation, call 171.
At hindi ko naman magagabi ko si Coach Winyo, kulang sa lateral movement, maganda ang lateral movement.
Oo.
That
Samantala.
sidestep motion of Danny Siegel on the move is so difficult to read. Hindi mo mababasa eh. He can go left, he can go right on that sidestep motion. Danny Siegel.
May bilis.
Oh.
Two shots from the free throw line by Danny Siegel makes it 33-27. Anim na puntos po kalamangan ng San Miguel Beer dito sa ating second quarter. With time down to 8 minutes and 15 seconds in the period. Johnny A against Boyditz Victoria. Ito, si Coach Winyo, pero illegal defense. Mukhang si Dorian Peña ang tatawagan dito eh.
Legal defense on the beer man committed by number 6.
Hindi masyado nakakagalaw. Yan si Dorian Peña. He played at Coppin State. At ka-teammate niya si Kurt Mott in Division 1 at NCAA. Ito si John Gabriel. Dapat batatin din natin, no? In 7 of his last 8 games, he has scored in double figures. No? Ito si Barrientos has really given a lift to his game entering the semifinals.
Mabuti naman at nawala na siya sa parang slump na
Yes,
na pinagkaroonan dyan. Marami na ng mga, sabi-sabi, mga balita. Pinakita naman ni Johnny Barrientos. Minsan talagang dumarating sa buhay ng tao yan.
1996 MVP. Ang nakausap ko si Mrs. Yolia Barrientos sa kanyang ina before this game. No? At sabi niya, she's so happy that the fans of Johnny Barrientos have stayed loyal and faithful.
Samantala, Will Antonio from right corner.
Mainit itong bata na to, no?
Oo.
Chaminade University in Hawaii.
Nabili ko yata eh.
Oh,
Eh, sabi mo, di ba, 2 points lang ang
Yes,
nag-i-average dito
oo.
sa series. Ngayon, meron isang 10.
kailangan lang mag-step up ito si Will Antonio.
Hop. Naibit si Daniel Dubosa, pero nabigay niya kay Danny Single. Ito, maganda na naman yung ikot ng bola. Pamatay na naman ang tira ni Danny Single. Ni Daniel Dubosa, rather. Yun eh, sa harapan pa ni Nelson na sa itono.
Alam mo, ibang klase din ito si Danny Alfonso when it comes to offense. He can hurt you inside, he can hurt you outside.
Samantala Nelson na sa itono over Dorian Peña. Nelson sumagot para sa top goal. The lead of San Miguel Beer is 4 points at 35-31.
Good sign for Papola, Aparientos, rather si Asartono at saka si Antonio doing well offensively.
Oh,
Si
yeah.
Peña nakakuha.
Oh, yun.
Offensive rebound na putback.
Yes. Bagamat medyo nanilimit yung kanyang movement doon sa pagkakapalot ng kanyang kaliwang binti. Eh, pero malaki ka talaga. Oops, ay, skulado, malaki rin. Pero natitawag yung bola. Medyo masyado mabilis yung dating ng bola, hindi makontain ni Chris Bulado. 6 minutes, 40 seconds remaining in the second quarter sa ating mga tugang sa Bicol, duman sa Bicol. Nakalimutan ko maray, Diyos maray na banggi sa Indogabus, mga tugang duman sa Bicol. Ito na, si Danny Single Ponce from the outside. Uy, kalawit rebound by Nelson Azaitono. Johnny off to Ponce. Nakita naman si Eston Ballesteros. Super good kasi yung tapal ni Dorian Peña. Medyo nawala sa rhythm dun si Eston. Usually, kaya niya yan eh. Kaya lang medyo nawala sa timing eh. Kaya no, dito medyo ano siya, tapos dalawang malaki na sa ibabaw niya.
Na-intimidate siya ni Danny Siegel,
Oo.
partner.
Slow-mo action brought to you by PLDT Text 135. You can't say it texted. For pre-activation, call 171. Ito na si Daniel Dubosa. Inuunti-unti si Port Junior. Sabay pasa kay Nick Velasco pero merong traveling violation na tinawag. Samantala, eksaktong 6 na minuto nananabi sa ating second quarter ng laro ito ng San Miguel Beer at the Papola. Lamang ang San Miguel ng 6. 37-31. We have this timeout. Dr. Trezor de Lacsan, number 1 sa sakit ng katawan. Doble visa, doble galing. Nelson Azaitono, nawala yung bola sa kanya dahil medyo naguluhan din siya doon sa pagbabantay sa likod niya.
O partner, hindi maganda ang spacing ng Papola kasi na-anticipate ng San Miguel kung saan pupunta yung bola.
Yan ang sinasabi ng
Nakaka-collapse sila, no? Sa depensa.
sinasabi ng depensa dito
Yes,
ng San Miguel Beer.
Sakling.
Oy, pasa ni Daniel Dubosa to Noah. 3-on-1. Antonio,
beautiful.
ang ganda ng...
Maganda sa amin ng pasa.
Ang ganda talaga yung fast break play nila.
Too deep. Ito si Rudy Hatfield. At sabi ni Rudy, sayang! Nandun na siya, no?
Ay, ito naman si Rosella. Ganito yun eh. Sabi ko, ganito yun eh.
Beautiful penetration, left-handed.
8-point lead para sa San Miguel Beer at 39-31 with time down to 4 minutes and 57 seconds dito po sa ating second quarter. Will Antonio to Ponce Junior at Johnny Abuda para sa rebound. Here's Daniel Dubosa against Ponce Junior.
Talagang tinatapatan na ni
Oy!
Oy, ang ganda ng ikot. Ang ganda ng ikot. Partida pa, hulinto pa siya. Alam mo, masyadong dinikitan ni Coach Muñoz. He let Daniel Dubosa feel his body. Yung naramdaman ni Daniel Dubosa na talagang dumidikit ito si Muñoz. Ito, tingnan natin. Dinikitan niya eh. Yun. Biglang pumihit eh.
Oo. Ito, huminto pa si Daniel Dubosa. Pinay ka na minsan.
Goodbye, 2 points.
Si Daniel Dubosa po, nakascore na ng 12 puntos sa kasalukuyan. We have a 30-second timeout. And it's your opportunity to grab that ice-cold Sunmig Light. Only 13 pesos at a store near you. Sunmig Light, cool beer flavor. Same beer alcohol, but it's less filling. Sarap na yun yan, no? Medyo mainit. Tapos malamig na Sunmig Light. Kagabi nga pala, kasama ko sina Alvin, si Richard Burke, si Haji Alejandro, Florante. Puro kami mga singer.
Aha.
Hindi. Pure Wilma kasi yun. At
Anong inubos nyo?
Isang liglay.
dapat.
Oo, talaga
Yan ang
naman.
paborito natin.
Ande sa Florante pala, Payne Vincent.
Aha.
Okay rin yun. Kasi
Pwede
hindi
rin.
tayo.
Oo. Pwede rin Gold Eagle at saka Red Horse.
Pwede.
Lahat siya.
Pwede.
Produkto ng San Miguel.
Oo. Samantala, 10 puntos na po ang kalamangan. This is the biggest lead in the game. San Miguel Beer on top by 10. Hatfield.
Ganang mga poste rito sa Papola. Kaya sa itono na, no?
Junior Anthony Steady Abuda. Ay, it's gonna be good. And the 24-second buzzer goes off.
Iba na din ang depensa pinapakita ng San Miguel, no? They are forcing Papola to take poor shots. Not only that, sometimes, as in that case, not even taking a shot within 24 seconds.
Samantala, Olsen Nasalamed, dala ng bola para sa San Miguel. Binigay kay Dwight Lago. Here now is Daniel Defonso. The double team. Binigay kay Abuda. Nilabas kay Gasela. Binigay kay Lago. Libre. 3-point shot. Hindi pumasok. Hatfield gets the loose ball.
Ito si Dwight Lago, partner, 56.9% shooter from 3-point range.
Number 1 yan.
Number one in the league.
Oh.
Ito naman yung 3-point shot. Yes.
Oh. Spectacular long distance shot brought to you by PLDT NDG. Now as low as 3 pesos per minute. Anytime and anywhere in the Philippines. Call 171 for free NDG activation. Pwede namin tumawag sa Tacloban. 10 piso na pala.
Oo.
Oo. El Defonso, biglang bumukol. Wala. Hatfield para sa rebound. Here's the Barrientos. Pull-up jumper. Antonio wala. Pero na ko ni Paul Junior. Actually, natapos ni Hatfield. Ano ko si Johnny?
Ako may mismatch at the post. Pag nga nandun yung double team.
Ito na, sinasa na sa ito. Oy, alanganin ni Tiro. Pero
Nandun siya.
sabi niya, ito sa pangalawang pagkakataon na.
Kapatid, 5 na lang itong lamang ng San Miguel. Maganda ang hustle na pinapakita ng Papola rito. In the last few plays.
Paring ako yan, nagtagsabi. Hindi raw ako singer. Songer. Higit ka lang.
Jump hook. Galing kay Nick Velasco. Baka usap ko nga si Andy Howe kagabi at exchanging notes.
Kaya pala, tumawag ako kanina alas 9 kay Andy, natutulog ka, pinuyat mo pala.
Pinagkakito kami tungkol sa possible imports ng Red Bull. Ang isang kandidato nila ay si Antonio Lang sa Duke University.
Duke University. Ano ba yung sinasabi mong valedictorian?
Valedictorian sa high school. Double major sa college, history at saka economics. At magaling pa mag-player.
Import, ha?
Import sa laro.
Baka galong researcher ni Andy Howe yan. Hoy, libre. Wala.
That's what he does best, partner. Ito yung sinasabi natin na trend watch, no? Yung offensive rebounding ng Papola. And that is going to keep them alive.
Well, they just cut down that 10-point lead. 5 na lang ngayon at 43-38. 1:43 remaining in the second quarter. Pero po tayong timeout.
On the speaker of Rudy.
Ano po tayo sa Phil Sports Arena sa Pasig City. At meron po tayong 1 minute 43 seconds na nalalabi sa second quarter. Lamang ng 5 San Miguel. 4 na lang. As Rudy Hatfield scores on the free throw. May pressure sa backcourt by Papola. Ano po si Daniel Defonso. Uy, libre si Abuda sa elastic. Yan naman ang galing sa si Abuda. Ito yun, hindi ko malaman kung may pagka-invisible man ito. Hindi namin kita.
Ano ba, partner? Si Jojo Lastimosa, double team.
Libre.
Oo, Daniel Defonso. Kanya na-libre ito si hindi namang, that's not the fault of Jojo Lastimosa. It's the fault of the closest Papola players who should rotate to the open man.
Ito, open man si Estong Ballesteros at the corner. Daniel Defonso para sa rebound. Bibigay niya mo Olsen Nasalamed. Pero pinapik pa niya si Johnny. Ano ba? Tuloy ba? Akin eh. 45-39. 6-point lead para sa San Miguel Beer. Dali si Daniel Defonso.
Hinihintay niya yung double team, no? Hindi naman ito double team ngayon. Kasi kanina, nasulog dito mo eh.
Hoy, ayun na. Nakakahintay niya.
Yes, exactly. That's what happens, partner.
Nagtataka siya. Asa na?
Oo, hinihintay niya yung double team eh. Kanina nag-double team. Nakapasa siya ng maganda. Open man, si Freddy Abuda. Kanya natuto na itong itong top goal, hindi nag-double team. Naiwanan kay Daniel Defonso tuloy yung bola.
6-point lead para sa Beerman. Ano ko si Hatfield. Port Jr. has it against Daniel Defonso. Magandang hit ni Port Jr. Down to 4. Ito maganda rito yung Papcola. Hindi nila pina-aarangkada ng usunod sa San Miguel Pier. Yung lumamang na 10 na ibaba nila kagad. Pero yan, nakawala naman si Daniel Defonso.
And one para sa kanya, partner, no?
Oo, 14 puntos na po ang ginagawa ni
Alam mo, palitan lang
Daniel.
ito eh. Siguro sabi ni Daniel Defonso, naisahan mo ko kanina, eto naman ng iyo. Hindi nila dino-double team si Danny, kanya sabi niya, why not go straight and strong?
Adjusting to the situation. Kanina, medyo na isahan siya ron dahil medyo nalito siya eh. So, walang double team eh. Ngayon walang double team. Meron sila kung pamatay dyan. 3-point play opportunity for Daniel Defonso pero hindi po niya naipasok ang free throw. Johnny, away! Papunta kay Estong Ballesteros. Tumama kay Tito Talaw. Pero mabilis subangga ito si Tito Talaw. Pero maganda pa rin ang reflection.
Kaibigan natin from Tempo Bulletin. Nandiyan siya sa press box. Sino nakikita ko dyan? Si Lito Cinco, Eddie Alinea, yung mga kaibigan natin. Sa press box. Si Nelson Beltran, hindi ko yata nakikita from the Philippine Star.
Binanggit dito na natin.
Kaibigan natin.
Nandiyan lang yun. Sir Marcela. Trying last second shot. Ganun ba man mga kaibigan, San Miguel Beer with a 6-point lead over the Papcola Panthers. This is game 4. San Miguel leads the series 2-1 in the best of 5. Abangan po ninyo mga kaibigan at the half. We're going to have our Adidas halftime report. Sa inyong mga lingkod, Ed Pixon po lamang. Kasama si Ganito Henson. At yan po ang ating score. Pagkaraan po ng 24 minutos sa labanan ng San Miguel at Papcola ng 6. Ang San Miguel mapos po ng 10 yan. Tapos binaba ng Papcola, inakit na muli sa 6 ng San Miguel Beer Querido.
Ito makikita natin ang halftime stats, partner. Papcola, only 3 offensive rebounds. Yan ay isa sa mga trend watch natin, no? At alam naman natin ito, Papcola. That is where they make a living, to get easy points off offensive putbacks. Pero dito sa larong ito, so far only 3 offensive rebounds, a total matched by San Miguel. In fact, nung first quarter, partner, ito Papcola, ni isang offensive rebound, wala.
Diba?
In steals, well, San Miguel showing a little more hustle in that department. 2 steals at ang Papcola wala pa. Field goal percentage pa, maganda ang pinapakita ng San Miguel, shooting 53% from the floor. Ang Papcola naman, trend watch natin din yan, no?
Yes, not
And
too
sabi
bad,
natin, oo, not too bad, 47%. Sabi nga natin, less than 40% for San Miguel's chances to improve, to win.
Samantala yung big 3 na naman ng San Miguel Beer na pinag-usapan natin kanina, sina Olsen Rosella, Danny Siegel at si Daniel Defonso ang nag-umpisa para dito sa Beerman para binigyan sila ng kalamangan Antimano. At isang beses lamang nakatingin itong Papcola ng kalamangan, if I remember correctly, at 1 point lamang yun. Trumabaho na ng usunod si Daniel Defonso, in-exploit niya yung kanyang mismatch against Estong Ballesteros. Support Sweeney naman ang kumuna para sa Papcola in the early goings of this game. Pero nasabi nga natin, umabot po ng 10 points yung kalamangan ng San Miguel Beer over Papcola sometime in the second quarter. Pinapiyas po yan ng Papcola down to about 4 points at umakyat na naman sa 6 sa pagtatapos ng second quarter. Daniel Defonso had a total of 14 points for the San Miguel Beer cause at palit-palit na nga yung mga nagbabantay kay Daniel Defonso. Yan, si Port Sweeney, iniwanan din niya. Kanina si Estong Ballesteros ang iniikot-ikutan niya. Pagkatapos si Port Sweeney, wala rin masyado magawa against Daniel Defonso. Ito naman si Johnny Abarrientos, tumikata galing sa labas. Johnny Abarrientos, of course, the ace point guard of the Papcola Panthers. Dahil po na nasabi natin si Port Sweeney ang top scorer together with Will Antonio para po dito sa Papcola Panthers. Ayan, ang mga scoring leaders natin dito.
Ito makikita natin sa Papcola, dalawa na ang nagdo-double figures para sa kanila, no? At for San Miguel Beer, isa lamang si Ildefonso. Napansin natin dito sa first half, etong San Miguel Beer took only 4 3-point attempts, and for a team that likes to score from the outside, that's not too many. Alam natin itong San Miguel averaging 6 3-point connections a game, shooting 40% from that distance. Pero partner, Pop Cola is taking away the 3-point shot of San Miguel by not double teaming. Partner, no? Kanya walang pagkakataon dito San Miguel to kick out and look for the spot-up shooter.
Okay, mga kaibigan, nabagan po natin ang pagpapatuloy ng labanan ng San Miguel at Pop Cola sa ating third quarter. Meanwhile, this has been your Adidas Halftime. Magandang gabi muli sa lahat ng ating mga suki sa Bayan ng Superstars. Bago po natin umpisa ng laro, narito si Janelle Shaw with a very special guest here at the PBA. Janelle.
At kayo naman syempre dito sa Bayan ng Superstars, isang simpleng tao ang kasama ko ngayon. Simpleng tao, former Senator Obet Pagdanganan. Hi sir, welcome to the PBA.
Thank you very much. And I'm so honored to be here.
Okay sir, mukha nga pong enjoy kayo sa panonood nitong basketball game natin. Pero I heard na talagang nagpa-basketball kayo before.
Yeah, well, nung mas bata pa tayo, ngayon medyo natatapos na mapilay. Pero nag-enjoy ako sa laro. Lalo na nga, medyo naayos yung bansa natin after what happened yesterday, no? Kaya napakaganda yung laro sa probinsya.
You're really sports-minded. Pero ano po ba sa sports yung mga values na natututunan nyo that we use in our everyday life?
Well, yung teamwork. Kinakailangan talaga yung teammanship. Yung team, pagkatapos, bukod sa pagtutulungan, yung loyalty. No? At yung common goal, isang direksyon. You have a goal to achieve at as a team, you work for it. At saka nagtutulungan kayo talaga. And you're loyal to each other.
Okay, very well said sir, and enjoy the game.
Yes, I'm enjoying it tremendously. Mabuhay nga. Thank you. Mabuhay po.
Okay, mabuhay po kayo. Si ex-governor Obet Pagdanganan. Magaling din mag-golf yan. Nakikita ko sa golf course yung dati. Hindi po siya masyadong busy. Samantala, Daniel Duponso pa rin.
At partner, sa pag-umpisa ng ating second half, nakita natin itong San Miguel already with 2 additional steals. Yan ay isang stat na napunan natin, no, in the first half. But San Miguel had 2 steals and Pop Cola 0. Ito, 4-0 na ang talaan dun sa steals department. Jojo Lastimosa scoring from the baseline.
Importante makatulong yan si Jojo Lastimosa after a long absence. Is back in harness para sa Pop Cola Panthers. Sa kasalukuyan mga kaibigan, 6-point lead pa na para sa San Miguel Beer. Freddy Abu na masyado mataas yung pasa ni Danny.
Alam mo partner, no, sa ganda ng nilalaro nitong San Miguel, shooting over 50%. Ito Pop Cola, hindi na sila malayo rito, no? It's just a 6-point lead. At sa nilalaro din ng Pop Cola, hindi na masama. They are within striking distance, and this is not a comfortable lead by San Miguel by any means.
Yan ang importante para sa Pop Cola, no? Ano, hindi sila maiwanan ng media kaagad.
Oo.
Oy.
Ito naman ang hustle ni Johnny A.
Oo, saka si Estong Balistero.
Ito pa yung 3-point shot.
Pero hindi pumasok. And Il Defonso has the rebound para sa San Miguel Beer. At yun, pagkakataon ito para sa San Miguel na mapalaki pa. Ito pa yung Defonso sa kalamangan. Daniel Defonso na naman sila against Montreal. Ito si Siegel, medyo natingin ang score nito kanina.
Wala actually, hindi siya napapasahan.
Oo, ito na.
Wala siya sa eksena halos sa opensa. Yun, sabi niya. Double figures na for Danny Siegel. Halos hindi nakakahawak ng bola yan.
Totoo yun.
Because yung atake ng San Miguel, dun sa poste, nilalagay nila yung bola sa kamay ni Daniel Defonso. Waiting for the double team para makapasa ito. Pero sabi nga natin, alam ng Pop Cola, masyadong maganda, matindi at 3-point shooting ng San Miguel. They are taking away that shot from San Miguel's offense.
Samantala magandang fake to Montreal. At pangatlong personal foul on Danny Ildefonso. Danny, of course, is from Pangasinan. Masanto sa Rapid Sigeo. Yan po sa Pangasinan. As you saw that slow-mo action brought to you by PLDT Text 135. If you can't say it, text it. The activation call 171.
Alam mo partner, the key in that particular play, nung na-foul into the Portuguino, was not the foul of Danny Ildefonso, but the block of Danny Siegel. O hindi, and one situation ito para kay Portuguino, so they took away the 2 points.
Samantala ang ating score, 51-44. 7-point lead para sa San Miguel Beer. Medyo nag-full court press itong Pop Cola Panthers. Pausan Rasela. Ooh, there's a steal. Portuguino, he is gone.
At bunga, partner, itong full court press ng Pop Cola. Here's another steal, almost.
Oo. Medyo naubusan na ang spot doon si Johnny Abad Barrientos.
Well, nagulat ang San Miguel dito sa full court press ng
Oo.
Papola at yun na nga, nagbunga na ng isang turnover and a completed 2 points off the turnover by Papola.
The lead is down to 5. Pare-pa rin ang press ng Papola, pero yun, nakalisip na. Si San Miguel with Olsen Rosella manning the middle. Hand off. Nick Velasco nowhere to go. Danny Siegel ang layo rin. No! Hindi pumasok.
Alam mo, partner, ang hinahabol ng Papola ay momentum shift.
Oo.
And with this kind of full court pressing, makakuha sila ng turnovers. Uy!
Pagkano pa na, no? Estong Ballesteros falls. Natapal bull pa din doon sa ilalim. Si Estong Ballesteros.
Oo.
Pero alam mo, this guy has heart. Ito si Estong Ballesteros.
Lumalaban.
Oo.
Alam mo, very contagious yun eh. When you have players with who play with a lot of heart, like Estong, like Rudy Hatfield
Oh, yes.
is another player. Like Johnny A, the flying A.
Iba klase rin yung ano eh. Yung nararamdaman. Tsaka yung mo, ano, nakakahawa yan.
Oo. And you include, of course, Pochuino at saka si Jojo Lastimosa.
Oo. Nakita mo naman si Pochuino, umagaw pa. Galing sa likod. Kanina. Ayan na, si Daniel
Oh, nice
Delbondo.
block, nice block by
Tapal
Pochuino.
bull pa din dito ni Pochuino. Ito, big guy.
Oh, yes.
Who can run and who can bring the ball down. Making like a point guard. Si Pochuino already with 17 points. And he has scored all except 2 of the points so far scored, of the 7 points so far scored here by Papola in the third period. At ang kalamangan po ng San Miguel, binabana na sa tatlo. Ito na naman ang isang turnover para sa San Miguel, 3-on-2. Barrientos gets it over to Jonas. Yeah!
Natawag na ng timeout itong San Miguel. Ito sinasabi ko, partner, that 6-point lead earlier of San Miguel, certainly not comfortable, and now it's down to 1.
May timeout po tayo mga kaibigan. Dr. Justin Alaksan, number 1 sa sakit ng katawan, doble visa, doble galing. Magandang gabi rin sa lahat ng ating mga taga-subaybayan ng bayan ng Superstars. Also Rosella na ipon pero nabigay niya kay Danny Ildefonso. Ildefonso matake. And off, merong foul na nakita on Pochuino. That will be number 2 on Edwin.
Ed, nababasa na nitong Papola itong patented play ng San Miguel to put the ball at the post and then Ildefonso waits for a cutter towards the strong side. So anticipated na yung play na yun eh. Now, yung isang play na na-anticipate ng Papola, yung pass to the spot-up shooter, hindi naman nagagawa ng San Miguel.
Pero
That
ito.
time went to another offensive option.
Si Danny Siegel naman, as
Oo.
pagkatapos tuloy ito puntang baseline, kaya niyang i-drive yan.
Alam mo, magandang adjustment yun sa offense.
Oo.
Ano? Parang masyado ng
Nahuli na eh.
oo, yung low post move ni Daniel Defonso. Yun ang yun eh.
Oo.
Kanya masyado ng predictable yung offense ng San Miguel. Kanya, iba naman ang ginawa ni Coach Joseph Pacheco. Ito yung tira. Oh, what a rebound!
Oo, Danny Siegel.
Sa likod yun ni Jojo Lastimosa.
Tama, akala ko kunan ni Jojo eh. It is a 3-point lead para sa San Miguel Beer at 53-50. Nasa third quarter po tayo mga kaibigan. Freddy Aguda, nakakita ng buwang. Binitawan nila si Freddy pero hindi ko makasitira. Nagulat din si Freddy. Sabi, ha? Wala akong bantay.
Nalibre siya.
6 minutes, 23 seconds remaining dito po sa ating third period. Johnny Barrientos. Jojo Lastimosa to Rudy Hatfield. Tumakas si Pochuino. Natapos na ba si Danny Ildefonso.
6 seconds on the shot clock. 6 seconds to shoot.
6 seconds na lang sa shot clock ng Papola Panthers. Estong Ballesteros ang lumabas. Binigay sa kanya yung drop shot. Meron yan eh.
Oo,
Meron
nice
yan
shot.
si Estong.
Wide open jump shot.
Oo.
Talk about a good look, partner. No? That was a
Yeah.
wide open look.
Just a 1-point lead now para sa San Miguel Beer. Nasa kanila ang bola. Danny Ildefonso laban kay Pochuino. Ito yung double team. Ito na. They swing the ball over to Danny Siegel against Estong Ballesteros. Ano yun?
Illegal di
Illegal.
yan. Hindi.
Illegal na yata.
Illegal ba?
Oo. Sabihin nga ng substitution si Danny. Parang si Danny Ildefonso nakita natin medyo humihinga na tumihingi na palitan muna siya. Mukhang napapagod.
Oo. Well, partner, hindi na siya ang number 1 offensive option ngayon ng San Miguel. Nagbago na, no? Ito si Danny Siegel now ang bumaposte. Si Ildefonso now is playing outside. Now si Dorian Peña is about to check in.
Malamang para kay Danny Aido.
Oo.
14 seconds on the shot clock.
Medyo napagod na rin ito si Daniel Defonso. The play kasi was overly centered on him
Oo, kaya
for too long. Bago nag-adjust si Coach Joseph Chico, but the adjustment came in time. Pero dalawa na lang ang lamang ng San Miguel ngayon.
yes, after that free throw, naging dalawa ulit. Kanina, isa na lang yan eh. Nick Velasquez fouled by Porchuino. Pangatlo yan. Si Porchuino.
Dorian Peña for Daniel Defonso.
Kaya na si Dorian Peña bumalik para palitan si Daniel Defonso. Bigyan ng konting pahinga. 14 po ang shot clock ng San Miguel Beer in this offensive play. Ayun na si Danny Siegel down the middle. Medyo na Ushabi yung tira na yun. Ito na si George Lastimosa para sa Pampcola Panthers. Lastimosa underneath to Rudy Hatfield.
Yan naman ang intelligence ni Jojo Lastimosa.
Wow.
Kita niya the full length of the court. And wide open si Rudy Hatfield. Beautiful assist coming from Jolas.
Tabla tayo mga kaibigan at 54 all. Only the fifth deadlock. The last time we had a standoff was at 12 all. So broken right away by Danny Siegel of San Miguel Beer.
Flat shoot na talaga ito si Danny Siegel, partner. Pero napapansin natin, ang respeto ng Pampcola kay Danny Siegel. Pag nakakuha siya ng bola, automatic double team sa kanya eh.
Oo.
It's not the same with Daniel Defonso, ha?
Pagkabaan na si Paul Sweden. Uy. Ito parang marami akong sigo nakita ron.
Well, Hatfield at saka si Dorian Peña. Si Velasco natawagan.
Pangatlo rin yan ni Nick Velasco. Samantala ang ating score, 56-54. Magandang gabi po sa lahat ng ating mga kaibigan Luzon, Visayas at Mindanao. Ang inyong po mga lingkod, Ed Pitson Pulaman. Kasama si Finito Henson at Coach Julio doing the baseline.
Dorian Peña.
May foul on Dorian Peña. First personal on Dorian Peña. Galing ito sa NBA,
Yes.
si Dorian Peña.
Actually, marami naglalaro right now on the floor,
yeah.
from the NBA.
Yes, Estong.
Hadi Rudy Hatfield, of course. Estong, yes.
Although galing muna sa PBA. Oh! Jolas!
Jolas!
Jolas! Spectacular long distance shot by Jolas, brought to you by PLDT NDD. Now as low as 3 pesos per minute anytime and anywhere in the Philippines. Call 171 for free NDD activation.
Yan naman ang voice ni Jojo Lastimosa.
Oh. Whoops!
Oh, yes.
Tumatok with a foul. Yung tira ni Danny Siegel, sabi niya, well,
And
medyo pagod na yung partner ko si Danny ay.
Siya naman ngayon.
Yan, oh, siya naman, Danny, yes.
24 years old, partner. No? This is his third year in the PBA.
Ito yung...
Hindi pala end one situation yun, ha?
Oo. Tigada ni George Lastimosa. Pagkatapos, yung kay Danny Siegel on the slow-mo action being brought to you by PLDT. Text 135. If you can't say it, text it. For free activation, call 171.
May illegal defense, partner. Again, check that. Kanina sinabi natin, end one situation para kay
Yeah,
Danny.
wala.
Hindi counted yun.
Hindi counted.
Foul coming before the elevation for the shot.
Lamang pa rin ng Pampcola ng isang. The last time that Pampcola led, yung pong umpisa ito nung first quarter pa, maaga sa first quarter. At it's been San Miguel Beer. Although hindi naman masyadong kalakihan yung mga kalamangan, there was a time na umabot po ng 10 yung kalamangan ng San Miguel Beer, pero nahabol ka agad yun ng Pampcola Panthers.
Alam mo, partner, very interesting din itong setting ito because both teams have players who have played for the other teams. Victoria at saka si Nick Velasco once played for Pampcola. Asay Tono, William Antonio,
tama,
once played for San Miguel.
Jose Gracela!
Tatlo yan.
Spectacular long distance shot. Brought to you by PLDT NDD. Now as low as 3 pesos per minute anytime and anywhere in the Philippines. Call 171 for free NDD activation. Ano daw?
May technical foul.
Yan naman. Oh, tignan natin ang nangyari dito. Ito si Dorian Peña. Second motion daw. Okay, so si Olson Racela ang titira ng technical free throw.
At sino pa, partner? Kasi Olson Rosella is such a reliable shooter from the line.
ni Chan, ito si Anthony. Sa alipisa niya, sa Richard Tan, na ba? Nanonood sila, dyan sa may pagpala ko na ito.
Ano yung kapatid ni Charlie?
Hindi.
Charlie Chan?
Hindi. Hindi siya yung classmate ko. Anyway, Coach Trujillo passing off to Escong Ballesteros. Merong foul. Dorian Peña picking up his second personal foul. 4-point lead, mga kaibigan, para sa San Miguel Beer. Biglang nabaliktad, ano ha? Kanina lang, lamang ng isa itong popcorn eh. Here's Johnny. May mga ganang Johnny, pero sinisip ko na dito Olson Garcela, pero meron na namang, ano to? Illegal defense. Nick Velasco ang tinawagan, so technical free throw here, si Johnny Amarientos ang titira. Katong mga kaigsunan diha dapita sa bye-bye at Cruz Matalong, mga gabi ninyo diha, gabi na diha sa Hindang, maabot ang atong pista karong 8 sa Mayo. Paningkabutan natin maka-anhata sa imbitasyon ng atong mayor na si Betty Cabal diha sa Hindang later. So, si Penny, mga gabi ninyo diha. Alright, ito, magandang pasa rin. Di Coach Yuki papunta kay Rudy Hatfield.
Ang limang foul na yan ng San Miguel team.
Ba, pang-apat na yan ni Nick Velasco. And yung dalawang coach, si Chuck Reyes at si John Wichico. Ito si Jojo Lastimosa, signaling the play. Binigay kay Coach Yuki. Makatrasa. Sabi mo nga, medyo hampered yung mobility nito si Dorian Peña. At alam na alam ni Coach Luigi, kaya ginagalawan niya.
Well, not only that, alam ni Coach Luigi nasa penalty na itong San Miguel. Kanya umaatake na sila sa loob. You watch this play.
That's the third foul on Dorian Peña. Pero pa tayo, 3 minutes and 25 seconds remaining in the third quarter. Siya nga pala, kung hindi po ninyo inabot yung ating first game, that series is extended to a game 5 on Friday sapagkat nagwagi na naman itong Shell. 2-2 na po ang ating series niya. Yan ang score, 78-67. Unang nagwagi ng dalawang sunod, ang Barangay Ginebra. Ito naman Shell, dalawang sunod din. Kanina nga kausap ko yung kaibigan kong si Ed Mapa. Retired din ng siya. Retired Shell executive. Ed Mapa, tukayo. Darating daw si Mr. Rain Billem, yung dating presidente ng Shell. Sa Biyernes, gold tournament nga kami sa Sabado. Ang maganda pa sa sa kanya, kung mapapanood yung Game 5. Maganda po yun sigurado, Game 5 yun.
Winner take all yan.
Oo.
Ito naman si Coach Winio, missing his second free throw. Winio, 27 years old, the pro since 94. Partner, last year, he averaged 10.3 points. The first time in his career that he hit in double figures as an average.
Illegal defense na naman. Mahaba itong laro na dito. Ang daming technical, ang daming illegal defense. So, free throw na naman ito. Sa kasalukuyan, mga kaibigan, ang kalamangan ng San Miguel ay dalawa 61-59 with 3 minutes and 12 seconds remaining. Dito po sa ating third period.
Alam ba part ko sa NBA, starting next season, wala nang illegal defense. No?
Oo.
Any defense will be allowed. At para napansin nila, medyo humahaba yung game.
Bumabagal no?
Bumabagal ang game because they keep on calling the illegal defense. Ito, nakikita natin si Executive Director ng PBA, Sonny Barrios to the left, and to the right, Vintage Chief Operating Officer, si Ronnie Nathaniels.
Of course, si Mr. Barrios is now the OIC dahil medyo nagpapahinga.
Yes.
Si Commissioner Gilbert
We wish him well.
Oo, siyempre.
In such a, parang kung wala si Commissioner dito, no, we feel his absence.
Parang hindi kompleto, no?
Oo, parang hindi kompleto. Of course, we know that he's resting.
Kailangan magpahinga.
Oo.
Pero ito, matindi action dito sa ilalim. Si Tejado nanonood ngayon si Commissioner Gilbert Nandino. Para sa iyan, matindi action dito. Samantala mga kaibigan, 2 minutes and 57 seconds ang nalalabis sa ating third period. San Miguel leads by 3 at 62-59. We'll be back after this. Para sa mas masayang PBA, sabayan ang Lutong Aji Show. Ang saya ng kain nyo. Pero pa tayo 2 minutes and 57 seconds remaining dito po sa third quarter. Lamang na tatlo ang San Miguel Beer. Daniel Defonso back at the free throw line.
For Eston Ballesteros.
Samantala Nelson Saitona comes in for Eston Ballesteros. Panig po ng Pop Cola Panthers.
Fourth season after ni Daniel Defonso is only 24 years old. Can you imagine the future of his player? In 98, ang average niya 11.6. Oh, offensive rebound.
Oh,
Pasok.
pero may foul.
Oo. Si Ildefonso, nabanggit ko, partner, no? First year average niya 11.6. Second year average 12.9. Last year 15.2. Kanya pataas ng pataas ang kanyang average. No?
Oo.
Ito makikita natin ang offensive rebound ni Dorian Peña. At yung kalabit ni Rudy Hatfield that led to that miss.
Kalabit na ba?
At pumasok naman yung tira ni Peña.
Missed by Dorian Peña. It is now 63-59. 4-point lead. Pagsak si Dorian Peña. Force Junior takes advantage of it. Pero napalakas ang tira. Natapit si Dorian Peña. Papunta kay Daniel Defonso.
Nabipanggaan doon, partner. No?
Oo. And lalaki pa naman tao nito.
Physical game.
Benny Abuda hands it on the outside. Danny Siegel, nakita si Daniel Defonso sumagsak sa loob pero malakas ang pasa. 3-on-2. George Lastimosa with a fumble. They'll have to set it up. 2 minutes and 18 seconds remaining dito sa ating third period. Danny Siegel.
Sabi ni Rudy Hatfield,
Oo.
walang tawag. Ano yun?
Ildefonso binigay kay Peña, traveling. Dorian Peña. Nagreklamo. Pagkabilang panig natin nagreklamo. Nagreklamo yung bench ng Pop Cola, nagreklamo yung bench ng San Miguel.
Yung tawag, yung traveling.
Ano, Nelson Saitona. Double team, good to the basket, Johnny. Inside, Force Junior, naman si Dorian Peña mapapawaan din.
Nasa penalty na ang San Miguel, partner. So shooting situation. Actually, both teams already in the penalty.
Dorian Peña nga tinawagan, panlima niyang apang-apat. Samantala, we now feature our close-ups, Killer Confidence Smiles of the Night. Get Killer Smile, Killer Fresh Breath, and Killer Confidence only from all new thrill-killing close-ups. Ang gaganda naman ang mga ngiti. 1 minute, 56 seconds to go. Third quarter. A miss by the nanonood sa atin dito sa probinsya namin, ha? Sa Leyte. Atong diha, si Jen Pixon sa Orbok. Si Toy Jinjin Sia, Jinjin Kumar, ang siyang Cordero. Pag-uusan niya ako nung ha? Mayroon bang tayo ba yan? Nabibigyan.
Meron naman ang full court press ng Pop Cola. Incidentally,
Goal to the bullet, eh.
Oo. Incidentally, si Forge Junior is averaging 15 points sa conference na to. That's a career high for him. It's a breakout season for Forge.
Talagang binigyan siya ng magandang papel dito ni Coach. Sobre, back pass by Daniel Defonso.
Nice steal.
Alam mo, mukhang pagod na nga yata ito si Danny, eh, no? Kanina, yung free throw niya, hindi pumasok. Oops. Saan sila sa ito, nabotik maagawan. Coach Junior's pass. Rudy Hatfield has it. Hatfield against Dorian Peña. 6 seconds on the shot clock. Nelson Saitona looks at it. Titira ng 3 si Nelson. Wala. Si Dorian Peña nakakuha ng rebound para sa San Miguel Beer. Lamang pa rin sila ng tatlo. With 1 minute and 6 seconds to go. Dito sa third quarter. Ito si Ildefonso. Oh! Papalbong kasi ng Dorian Peña but he got good up on it. Yan dapat. Kahit na matapalan bull kasi niya kung talagang gusto mo butasin yung ring. Try again.
Yan ang value ni Dorian Peña, partner. First option nila noon in that play was Siegel. Second option si Ildefonso. Naging third. Ito naman, si Rudy Hatfield.
Pero maganda yung pasang yun ni Paul Junior. Deep. A sneaky pass by Paul Junior. Hindi nakita yun, eh. Nakita niya yung sumakat si Hatfield.
Alam naman natin ito si Paul for Alaska.
Yung triangle,
Kasi,
offense.
siya ang fulcrum ng triangle offense
Oo.
si Coach Tim Cohn. At kasama na siya as a passer. And one of the best passing big men dito sa PBA. Ito si Coach Wino from the University of the Philippines.
Una ko nakita ko si Coach Wino sa SEA Games sa 1993. He was a vital part of the Philippine campaign in that SEA Games held in Singapore. Nanalo tayo.
Nasa penalty na ang top goal sa shooting situation here.
22 seconds na lang ang nalalabi dito po sa ating third period. Kumusta po sa ating mga kababayan dito naman sa Southern Tagalog. Gabi po sa inyong lahat ang inyong mga lingkod. Ed Pixon po lamang kasama si Ganito Henson para sa Viva Vintage Television. Labanan ng San Miguel Beer at ng Pangkola. Game number 4. Best of 5 series po ito. Nanalo po sa unang laro ang Pangkola. Dalawang sunod ng San Miguel. Kung mananalo po ang San Miguel ngayong gabi, tapos na po ang series na ito, papasok ang San Miguel sa finals. Ngunit, kung didiskartehan naman ang Pangkola ang San Miguel ngayong gabi at gawawagi ang Pangkola, meron pa tayong panglimang sagupaan between these two teams sa darating na biyernes.
Which will be a double-header. Kung saan tayo ang manalo dito sa Pangkola. Yung Gina.
Johnny Abarientos. Okay. Ano ito? Dalawang referee tumawag na Pangkola. Si referee Bernardo ang tawag ni jump ball.
Na-overrule.
Oo, 2 against 1, ano?
Oo.
Si team manager El Marianga, medyo nagka-clarify lang si team manager El Marianga. Ito yung crowd natin, medyo nag-react naman kagad. Okay lang yan. Siyempre.
8.7 seconds to go. Naku, nagpadali ng tira.
Yun na to, pero ito sa Ponce Rico. Napalakas naman. And Joyan Peña, finally holds it down for San Miguel. At tumunod na po ang buzzer to end action para sa ating third period. Tumunod po ang last 12 minutes of regulation play between these two squads. 4-point lead lang yan ang San Miguel. Maraming pwede mangyari. So do stay tuned. House, pressure at quality mula sa school hanggang office. And this quarter is brought to you by Siemens Mobile Phone. At gabi po, fourth quarter, San Miguel up by 3.
Ed, sa pag-upisa dito ng ating fourth quarter, San Miguel was supposed to inbound pero this full court press ng Pangkola forced them into a 5-second violation on the inbound. Kanya nag-turnover na kagad dito San Miguel. Pabukas lang dito sa fourth period.
Alam mo, couple of times, Pangkola has been successful in employing that tactic. Yung biglang gagawin nila yan. Yun naman ang vital aspect ng strategy na yan. Kailangan hindi handa yung kabila.
Oo, nagugulat bigla itong San Miguel, especially kung wala si Olsen Rosella sa loob ng court.
And the quarter scoring brought to you by QuickTime, the all-in-one glue technology by Loctime. Daniel Defonso, nakaldag ng bagyaro ni Nelson Asaitoro sa ilalim. Second personal on Nelson, and again, Daniel Defonso is at the line. Itong si El Defonso, talagang kahit marino din, In the first half, he scored 14 points, top scoring for San Miguel, but here in the second half, he's only managed 2 points. Kanina, nandito siya sa free throw. Ayun, buhato.
Ito si Peña, sa tingin ko, this is the most minutes that he has played. Ayun, nakikita natin si Sonny Barrios, officer in charge ng PBA. Commissioner Bernardino, magpagaling ho kayo. We're praying for you.
Oh, yeah. Kaya tayo.
We know you'll get better.
At, yan, rin natin si Commissioner Bernardino, yung pagka-workaholic, So, ayos lang yan. Nakapagpapahinga ka ng bonding yan. Nelson Asaitoro, triple team. At Antonio, from 3-point country, hindi pumasok. Sabantala ay sa no. Ayun na, mukhang nakakuha na ng second win dito si Daniel Defonso.
Partner, maganda yung lead pass galing kay Boybit Victoria.
7-point lead ngayon ng San Miguel Beer. Dorian Peña nakakuha na naman ng rebound.
Yung sinasabi ko, partner, si Peña is earning his minutes on the floor. He's getting a lot of rebounds, partner.
Siegel. Two-man game between Abuda and Siegel. Dalawang kay Bobby Victoria, libre. Wala. Dorian Peña. Tumangat. May foul.
Alam mo, off balance ito kung tumira si Dorian Peña.
Medyo awkward eh, no?
Oo, pero nakukuha niya yung mga rebound partner, and that's the most important thing. Sabi nga natin kanina before this game, ang natangap sa offensive rebounding itong Pop Cola over San Miguel. But with Dorian Peña there, partner, he's given San Miguel a big lift off the board.
As you saw, the slow-mo action brought to you by PLDT Text 135. If you can't say it, text it. For free activation, call 171. Pang-apat na foul na po yun ni Ponchino. Meron pa tayong 10 minutes and 20 seconds remaining in the game.
Ito si Peña, already with 10 rebounds
Oh,
and 6 points sa larong ito. 6 points is career high sa PBA.
but of course, medyo late pumasok ito dito sa All-Filipino Conference. Ito yung Dorian Peña.
The scary thing about Dorian Peña is that he's not even playing 100%.
dahil-
na kanyang pinti. Heavily bandaged.
But he just picked up his 5th personal, Kinita.
Oo. Pero partner, ano pa kaya kung 100% ito si
Yun,
Dorian?
Hindi pa natin nakikita yung full potential nito.
Oo.
Will Antonio. Here's Asaytono. Dinabas kay Johnny. Libre. That's it. Ay. Samantala. Naku po. Foul out yata ito si Dorian Peña.
Oo.
6 fouls na
Overly
kagad.
aggressive.
He's trying to steal the ball. Sige, pagpahinga mo mo. Bigti mo. At babalik naman ito si Robert Duat.
Well, he got the job done, partner.
Kaya naman
10 rebounds.
tinatapik-tapik siya ng coaching staff.
Oo, pero might have been a little too early for him to foul out.
Dalawang sunod yun.
Oo. At sa ganda na pinapakita niya, I
Sayang.
think San Miguel could have used him a lot
Oo.
more.
10 minutes to go dito po sa ating laro. Asaytono, out to Johnny again. Ito, Barrientos titira ng 3. Wala. Ildefonso nabitawan. Danny Siegel controls it. Siegel pa rin. Dito yung bulabog ni Will Antonio, binigay kay Bobby Victoria.
Then ni Danny Siegel yung referee. Sabi ng tama eh.
Here comes Danny Ildefonso. Laban na naman kay Estong Ballesteros. Libre sa ilalim si Duwag. Pero masyado malalim yata. Si Freddy Abuda.
Reverse layup.
Ay, di ba kamayo mga kaibigan, ito mga fans ng San Miguel Beer. Ay, si Freddy Abuda, when you least expect it. Yan. Sabi ni Freddy, ako na nga. Dirty job ito eh, kailangan Freddy Abuda, sabi niya. We have a timeout, folks. San Miguel leads by 11. Dr. Trust de Laksan, number 1 sa sakit ng katawan, doble bisa, doble galing. Just after the timeout, mga kaibigan, Nelson Asaytono scored in a short stab inside. At pinaba po ang karamangan na San Miguel to 11, 4 to 9.
Shot. Pirouette move. Galing kay Danny Siegel.
And it's back to an 11-point lead, the biggest.
Alam mo, ewan ko kung nakita niyo yung goal. The way he moved like a ballet dancer to get that shot inside.
Get it. Will Antonio, pinabas kay Johnny. Barrientos to Asaytono. Asaytono pumayag one-hander by Nelson. Back-to-back hits by the Bulls.
Incidentally, partner, ito ang update sa ating field goal percentage. San Miguel 50% at ang Pop Cola 40%.
Diba? Kaya sabi mo nga, no, kailangan may maibaba ng San Miguel Beer yung shooting percentage ng Pop Cola to less than 40%.
To
No?
improve its chances to win, yes. Oo.
Ball away, jump by Siegel, wala. At si Hatfield, nabitawan ng bola, it will go to San Miguel Beer.
Nagmamadali masyado si Atfield, partner.
Nagigigil eh.
Instead of grabbing that ball and keeping it.
Ito yung sinasabi mong tira ni Danny Siegel kanina eh. Kita mo naman yun ha. Slow-mo action brought to you by PLDT Text 135. If you can't say it, text it. For free activation, call 171. Danny Ildefonso labang kay Ponchino. Biglang pihit, reverse layup. Goodbye.
And that time, partner, ang hinihintay ng Pop Cola, si Danny Ildefonso ipasa kay Danny Siegel na mainit dito sa quarter na to, no? Sabi ni Danny Ildefonso, di ako na lang.
Ildefonso scoring his 21st point of the game.
Double na si Nelson Saitono, no? Uy! Ang
Estong!
na yun.
Estong Ballesteros with that spectacular long distance shot brought to you by PLDT NDD. Now as low as 3 pesos per minute anytime and anywhere in the Philippines. Call 171 for free NDD activation.
Alam mo, partner, matagal-tagal nang nagpapahinga si Olsen Casella rito. Ha?
Okay.
Strong move! Wala.
Napulot naman ni Danny Ildefonso, binigay kay Freddy Abuda. They want to set it up again. Meron silang fresh 24-second shot pa. Hindi. Ito, tuloy-tuloy pa na. Abuda. Ildefonso, sige, pamundo. Pero tatapit palabas. Medyo nahihirapan po tayo masahin yung shot clock dahil may angulo kami rito.
Hindi natin makita masyado eh.
Hindi malino. Ayun, 6 seconds, ano? 6
Okay,
seconds
6
left.
seconds ang sabi ng ating court
Good
announcer.
straight price, no? I think quality in bargain. Freddy Abuda will inbound for Woody's 6-second time limit. Nick Velasco, tuloy-tuloy!
Running hook shot, partner.
With time to spare.
Oo, at kapapasok lang ni Velasco. Ganun din si Olsen Casella. Nakababanggit lang natin. Has been enjoying a long rest on the bench. Ito, ang policy ngayon ng San Miguel is to double. Uy!
Oh, maganda. Lumabas!
Range!
Maganda sa akin yung recovery ng Pacola.
Oo.
Danny Seagal. Oh, now with Maria Barrientos. Double team. Hatfield de la Barrientos. Tumuloy-tuloy si Johnny. Hindi ba ayun ang hirap ni Johnny? Hindi mo malalaman kung anong gagawin dito na fast break play.
Stutter step move, partner. Pero what a beautiful steal.
Oo.
Amarientos.
Sinaga niya yun, sinaga.
Oo, off at Danny Seagal. Ang ganda naman nun.
There goes Danny Seagal again off the double team to Danny Ildefonso! Slam jam! No fear slam. Face your fears. Live your dreams.
Yan ang play. Patented play ng San Miguel. Low post, tapos cutter on the strong side.
At 10 na naman ang abante ng San Miguel Beer over the Pacola Panthers. 30 yata ito. It's a 30-second timeout being called by Coach Chuck Reyes ng Pacola. 5 minutes and 42 seconds pa ang nalalagay dito sa ating laro. At kailangan natin ito. Grab that ice-cold Sunbig Light. Only 13 pesos at a store near you. Sunbig Light, full beer flavor, same beer alcohol, but it's less filling. Yeah. Take it from me. Samantala, ito, panoorin naman natin itong ating CMG swipe of the game. Makikita natin yung pasa ni Johnny Barrientos na agaw ni Freddy Abuda. That was our CMG swipe of the game. Brought to you by CMG of Australia. Plan ahead, get ahead. Naimbag na rin yung aming Abulakay. Sa ating mga kababayan dyan sa Norte. Medyo napapyan tayo dyan sa Bigan, sa Tawag, sa Pagudpud.
At sabi mo, napasyal ka sa Herona.
Sa Tarlac,
Pakibigyan natin si Mayor Artes sa Sembrano.
Ay, barkada ko dyan si Boy Tabong. Eto, Jordan Espinosa, Estong Ballesteros, another PLDT IDD shot. Brought to you by PLDT NDD. Now as low as 3 pesos a minute, anytime and anywhere in the Philippines. Call 171 for free NDD activation. Ito na lang, nakakalamangan ng San Miguel. Meron pa tayo 5 minutes and 14 seconds remaining in the game. Danny Seagal over Hatfield. Ang takot pala ni Daniel Ildefonso!
Offensive putback, partner. Sabi ni Daniel Ildefonso, Dorian Peña, diyan ka na lang, nag-foul out ka na. Ako naman dito for the offensive putback.
At saka sabi siguro ni Daniel Ildefonso, nakita nyo kanina, medyo napapagod na ako. Tapusin na itong series na to. Pero not if Pacola will have anything to say about it. At nakikita natin, ito sila Port Julio, sila Daniel Barrientos, yung Estong Ballesteros, nagpapakamay ito para makakuha ng panalo rito dahil kailangan. Samantala, ito, magugustuhan ninyo ito mga kaibigan. Ito, this is an emphatic slam jam by Nick Velasco. What a slam. Your no fear slam. Face your fears. Live your dreams. 4 minutes 50 seconds sa atong mga higala diha sa kabisa tayo sa Mindanao, diyan sa Cebu, sa Dumaguete, sa Tagbilaran, diyan sa Tibok, Bohol, sa Mindanao, sa Davao, sa Jensan. Ang gabi ninyo ba sa kapisanan sa Mindanao, ang inyong mga lagab, Ed Pinson, Ed Secretary Henson, para sa Viva Vintage Celebration ng Kanabanan ng San Miguel Beer, at the Pop Cola Panther. Danny Siegel against Hatfield. With about to Teddy Abuda. Back to Siegel. There's a double team.
And one para sa kanya, partner. Ibang klase na ang ginagalaw ni Danny Siegel dito sa fourth field. This is the quarter that he owns. And he wants to prove it.
At pati si Daniel Duposo, no? So yung dalawa talagang takeover natin. Sabi, okay, this is our quarter. This is the time for the big guy.
One-hander, partner, galing kay Danny Dynamite Siegel.
Pero may oras pa ito dito. 4 minutes and 31 seconds. 10-point lead by San Miguel. Last touch on Nick Velasco. Yung pagkakataon pa rito ang Pop Cola Panthers.
Alam mo, partner, ito si Danny Siegel when he was playing for Wagner College. Once he got to play sa Madison Square Garden in New York. And in that game, he had 29 points and 11 rebounds.
Madison Square Garden. Doon na go, si Howard Ganda. At field! Oy! Nick Velasco. Ako sa Rivera. At ang para, wala. Huwag na sila pasay! Hey, Siegel! What a dynamite slap jam! No base last. Fraser Beers with your dream. Matinding exclamation point yun.
Double pump
Ang hirap
on the
ng
fly. Woo! Ito, panuorin ulit natin. Ito ang ginawa ni Danny Siegel. Double pump and a slam jam.
This quarter is brought to you by Siemens Mobile Phone. We have a time. Para sa mas masayang PBA sa bayan ng Lutong Aji Show, ang saya ng kain nyo. Mga kaibigan, tumawag din ng timeout ang San Miguel Beer. So, the back-to-back timeout situation, balik muna tayo sa home studio. Balik po tayo dito sa Go Sports Arena. Sa nga pala, parang Diva del Rosario. Coach Guido goes up and cuts the lead of San Miguel down to 10 points. Pero momentum, kinito, sabi mo, maharap na momentum cruise it.
Pero ito, naka-steal sila. Again, because of that trapping defense sila. Hindi pa tapos ito, partner. No? And if San Miguel thinks that this game is over, well, they have to think things over, partner. Because ito, a 3-second ball hogging violation on Freddy Abuda. So, back-to-back turnovers for San Miguel.
Yan po yung rule na yan, na pagka na-double team kayo ng triple team, tapos hindi nyo maipasa yung bola, hindi nyo ma-dribble, after 3 seconds, tatawagan kayo. Turnover yan. So ito, pagkakataon na naman ito ng Pop Cola, ganito. Kanina, sasabihin ko na sana, medyo delikado na sila. Ito si Coach Guido, keeping his wits about him.
Ito mo, partner. Anim na lang. 6 straight points by Pop Cola.
Dahil dyan sa kanilang pressing defense in the backcourt.
Yung trapping defense sila, no?
Ito, San Miguel gets it over the timeline. Olsen Racera has it. Meron pa tayo 2 minutes and 57 seconds remaining. 6-point lead by San Miguel. Daniel Defonso. San Miguel has led about 95% of the way here. Look away pass. Binigyan na niya kay Abuda. Konting ka Abuda ng shot clock buzzer. Ito na, Pop Cola on the attack. Rudy Hatfield has it. Hindi masyado naging aktibo sa offense natin si Rudy Hatfield dito sa naman ito.
Yes, partner. No? Parang nakikita natin, he's been shut out from the offensive board.
Hindi siya nakaka-score pa rin sa fourth quarter. Open shot for Santos Barrientos. That's a PLDT IDD long distance shot. That's a biggie.
Ito, tatlo na lang alamang ng San Miguel. What a major comeback by Pop Cola.
Biglang-bigla ito. 9-0.
Kanina nung lumamang na ng bote itong San Miguel, nakita ko, ang dami nang lumalabas, no?
Oo, dami.
So, partner, it was not meant to be, not yet.
Itong Pop Cola, alam niyo naman, talagang laban ito eh. 2 minutes and 12 seconds remaining in the game. We have a 20-second timeout lang ito. Tatawagin. Akalain nyo, just when I was saying na yung momentum nasa San Miguel na at hinahanap ng Pop Cola kanina yung momentum shift. Ayun, nangyari nga yung momentum shift yan. Nasa Pop Cola ngayon. At habang resist the momentum, kumuha muna kayo ng Ice Cold San Mig Light. Only 13 pesos at a store near you. San Mig Light, full beer flavor, same beer alcohol, but it's less filling. Kita ba kayo? Mga San Mig Light na kayo dyan. Mamaya ako, pag-uwi. By the way, at the end of this game, we'll be choosing our Viva Mineral Water Best Player of the Game, the Chakra.
Ito, parang nabuhayan ito Pop Cola
Oo,
with
buhay na buhay.
2 and 12 to go. Marami pang oras yan.
Tatlo
It's
lang.
just a 3-point lead. What triggered this partner ang trapping defense,
Oh.
full court trapping defense ng Pop Cola, creating successive turnovers against San Miguel.
Ito na si Daniel Duardo for me hit, pero Fortuito will foul out.
Oo, malaking bagay yung partner.
Oo. Ito si Fortuito, talaga namang vital ito para sa Pop Cola, kaya narinig ko. Palakpakan. Yung mga San Miguel Beer fans, palakpakan kagad, dumadilig nila 6 fouls sa support.
And he leaves with ilan?
Fortuito had 24 points, hold down 8 rebounds,
So, big night for Paul
1 shot block.
Oo.
Matindi yung ginagawa ni Fortuito dito. Nakita natin talagang determinado ito si Fortuito. Ang ipinasok ni Coach Chuck Reyes para kay Fortuito ay si Will Antonio. Ito po, bumalik 2:04 to go. Lamang ng tatlo San Miguel, 88-85. This is game 4 of the best of 5 series. San Miguel leading the series, 2 games to 1.
Alam mo, partner, yung 24 points si Pochino ties his career high.
Ba, talaga, sayang napala ang target siya.
Ito si Danny Ziegel, missed on the shot. Magkakato na naman.
Hoy! Akala ko tira na ng press ni Will Antonio. Humihingi si Estong. Ballesteros against Labuda. 1-on-1 ito. Estong Ballesteros.
Isolation, partner.
Oo. Biglang hit. Sabi ni Freddy Abuda, sige, foul na ako. Dahil ayaw niyang bigyan talaga sa Estong sa pagkakataon.
Wala pa naman sa penalty ang San Miguel, so smart foul to give. Inubos nila yung oras sa shot clock down to the most minimum, or to the barest minimum rather. Tapos binigay ni Freddy Abuda yung foul.
Ang Pop Cola nasa penalty na. Itong San Miguel, 4 ang team foul. Johnny. There's a
Just
pick
a
and roll.
single 3-point shot separating those. Yung tiro ni Johnny Abarientos.
Only a 1-point lead now. Just a 1-point lead by San Miguel Beer. Pero nasa kanilang bola. Ito na naman yung trap. Freddy Abuda has it in the backcourt. Got to Donnie Ildefonso. Against Hatfield. Ildefonso pa rin.
Matagal nang hindi nakaka-score ang San Miguel.
Yes.
Hindi tayo nagkakamali.
Hey! Libre!
Hindi pumasok kay
foul!
Danny Ziegel.
Johnny Abarientos super rebound. Johnny tuloy. Binigay kay Las Tumosa. Libre din. Kahina. And Abuda with the rebound.
Ito, less than a minute to go. It's just a 1-point lead.
Is this an exciting ball game? Ano sa palagay nyo? May sorting po tayo. Ito. Uy! Ang ganda na pasa! Nick Velasco!
This pass galing kay Danny Ildefonso. Maganda yung play. Again, hinanap ni Danny Ildefonso. Hindi yung tao na nasa labas, kundi yung taong nasa loob. For a high percentage shot.
Sa ilalim kinuha. 3-point lead once again for San Miguel. 43 seconds to go. At 20-second timeout to. Ito tinawag ni Coach Chuck Reyes ng Pop Cola Panthers. They're down by 3.
Alam mo, partner, nagkaroon ng mismatch sa loob. Jojo Lastimosa, the man defending Nick Velasco. Velasco getting the easy 2 points.
And again, it's time to grab that Ice Cold San Mig Light. Only 13 pesos at a store near you. San Mig Light, full beer flavor, same beer alcohol, but it's less filling. Magandang gabi muli sa lahat po ng ating mga suki sa bayan ng Superstar. Sama-sama po tayo nag-i-enjoy dito sa labanang ito. That last reverse layup by Nick Velasco gave San Miguel Beer
Ang nangyari doon,
this
partner,
3-point lead.
yung tao ni Nick Velasco, si Ballesteros, went over to double team. Nag-rotate naman si Jojo Lastimosa. Nagkaroon ng mismatch sa loob.
At meron naman tayong 30-second timeout dito. Kung naubos mo yung kanina Ice Cold San Mig Light yun, dahil napakaganda ng action. Kuha pa na isa. Only 13 pesos at a store near you. San Mig Light, full beer flavor, same beer alcohol, but it's less filling. Kumusta po sa ating mga kaibigan Diyan naman sa bandang Bulacan, sa Centro Luzon. Diyan sa Nueva Ecija. Magandang gabi po. Ed Pixon po lamang ang inyong lingkod. Kasama si Ginito Henson para sa Viva Vintage Television at sa labanan ng San Miguel Beer Pop Cola. Napakagandang laban mga kaibigan.
Sulit ang Pop Cola, nakaka-anim na 3-pointers narito sa larong ito, no? Tatlo coming here in the fourth period. A single 3-point shot separating both teams. At ang San Miguel, ni isang 3-point. Wala rito sa fourth period.
Dahil sa Saitono, Torestong Ballesteros. Narito si Johnny Abarrieto. This is crunch time, folks.
Ano kaya, titira sila ng 3?
They're down by 3. Ayun, binigay kay Estong. Ballesteros! At the stopper, ayun, sunod ni Hatfield.
Ito yung offensive rebound.
At Saitono, Lastimosa. 23 seconds to go. Lamang pa rin ang tatlo ang San Miguel Beer. At Saitono, titira ng 3. At Saitono, with the rebound. And Hatfield will go up the foul.
Dalawang 3-point attempt ng Pop Cola.
They gave it a go.
One by Ballesteros. Isa galing kay Nelson Saitono. Walang pumasok. And Danny Siegel giving up the foul. Hindi pa tapos ito. 14.4 seconds to go. They had to give up the foul to stop the clock. Ito yung mintes
Saitono.
ni Nelson Saitono at yung rebound na galing kay Danny Siegel and he was fouled. They had to stop the clock.
Ayan po mga kaibigan, sabi nga natin, they gave it a go. Ito Pop Cola. 14 seconds to go. At apat na ang kalamangan ng San Miguel Beer. Ayan si team manager El Marianga. Hawak-hawak yung kanyang Rosario. Well, tignan natin kung meron pang magagawa rito Pop Cola. Nagitis yung pangalawa. Ito si Johnny Abarrietos, titira ng 3. Ay, kumalog!
Almost. This game is over. San Miguel goes to the finals.
Unang finalist po dito sa ating All-Filipino Cup for the 2001 season ng inyong bayan ng Superstars, Jong Wichicos, San Miguel Beer. Pero wala pa silang kalaban, no? Hindi pa nila alam kung sino makakalaban nila sapagkat yung ating pong isang serye, kung hindi po ninyo inabot kanina, ay na-extend to a Game 5. Shell and Ginebra will face off on Friday.
Pero yung Pop Cola partner, nothing to be ashamed of.
Baka
Ang ginawa nilang run dito sa fourth quarter, talagang
Nako, grabe.
pinahirapan nila itong San Miguel. That lead went down to just 1 point.
After going up to 12, no?
Exactly.
Biglang tinapyas yan ng Papola to 1. Pero finally, ito, San Miguel by 4. At puntahan natin ang ating kasama si Paolo Trillo with the interview